ఫ్రెండ్స్ నేను ఈరోజు మీకు చికెన్ 65 డ్రై అండ్ వెట్ రెండు చూపించాను. మీరు ట్రై చేసి టేస్ట్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో కామెంట్స్లో చెప్పండి. Hi friends, today I am going to show you both a wet and dry chicken 65. First we shall make a dry chicken 65, then we can make out the wet chicken 65. So for this I have taken chicken curry cut pieces with bone half kg, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, this is 1 complete egg, this is corn flour powder I have taken 1 tablespoon, and this is maida or all purpose flour, this is also 1 tablespoon. I have taken 2 spoons of red chilli powder, salt to taste, and little turmeric powder. I have taken little spice powders, like you can say 5 grams. This is garam masala, spice powder and pepper powder. So we shall mix thoroughly all these, and we should marinate this chicken for about 1 hour. So mix thoroughly with hand. No need to add water. The wetness in the chicken and this egg and everything would suffice. Add all the ingredients in the chicken and mix thoroughly. This mixture should be dry, because if it is wet we won't get, the stuff will not enter into the chicken properly. So please don't add any water. No need to add water at all. It should be dry but well marinated. So that is why you should mix it well thoroughly with the hand and allow it to stay for about an hour. For each piece the marination should go well. So mix thoroughly. Beginners, at this level only you can check the salt. If you want, just you can check the salt. Actually these measurements will be exactly perfect. We shall marinate this for an hour. I have taken oil about 300 ml and I fried it by putting in the high flame. While I am frying the chicken pieces, I'll put the flame in medium. Now we can add our marinated chicken pieces into the kadai. We shall fry in 2 batches. We should put in sim. We should fry them with lot much of patience, because if you put in high flame, inside the chicken will not be cooked well. Meanwhile we can have a look at our wet chicken 65 items. So you should take onion petals 1 cup, that is 3 big onions, capsicum also 2 big capsicums as petals, very little 5 ml of vinegar and 5 ml of soya sauce, and 10 to 15 ml of tomato sauce, and this is coriander leaves, and these are garlic, and this is corn flour powder. You must make it as a paste with little water. You should roast both the sides thoroughly by putting the flame in medium. Now we shall take another kadai and put it on the next stove. We can use the same oil, frying oil in this. We shall prepare for wet chicken 65. So I am taking 1 spoon of oil. I am adding in this kadai. Now I am adding onion petals, capsicum petals, garlic, little salt, vinegar, these veggies should be little raw only, like we should get salad feel. They should not be roasted well. Now I am adding soya sauce, tomato sauce, and corn flour powder. So corn flour powder mixed with water. So how much thickness you want, you can make it like that. Suppose you want the sauce more, you can add more corn flour powder and you can mix it with water and add. At the end also, if you feel like you want more sauce, you can add. It is not a big issue. Here our chicken pieces are almost roasted. See, without adding any food color, it is a natural color we have got by red chili powder color. So these pieces now are ready. Now you can add in the next kadai. So first batch I am making as wet. I am adding in the next kadai to make wet chicken 65. You can make the same process with boneless chicken also. So now here give nice mix and let it cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Meanwhile, we shall fry second batch of chicken pieces too. This we can keep it as dry roast. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నేను ఈరోజు మీకు చికెన్ 65 డ్రై అండ్ వెట్ రెండు చూపించాను. మీరు ట్రై చేసి టేస్ట్ ఎలా వచ్చిందో కామెంట్స్లో చెప్పండి.